everyone, my name is Nadella Putri Shintani. I'm a representative of Tenggara Regency in election of Investment Ambassador. I'm a Bachelor of Financial Management. I'm also a Tourism Ambassador in 2022. During college, I have learned about how to invest and analyze whether an investment is feasible to invest in or not. That's why I'm joining this election to implement the knowledge I have learned during college and also to promote the potential tourism in Tenggara. Here, I will present one of the investment potential in Tenggara, namely Hotel Priki. Hotel Priki is located in Watu Lima, Tenggara. Hotel Priki has own charm because it's located in the edge of the beach. The beauty of Priki Beach make a Priki hotel have more added value compared to other hotels. Why? Because the visitor can hear the sound of the wave directly from Priki Beach. Priki Hotel, which has land area of 6,575 meters square, will be developed into 5-star hotels. The development of Priki Hotel will be project investment that expected to provide benefit in the future. In the development of Priki Hotel into a 5-star hotel required fund of 100 billion rupiah to build 124 rooms with type standard, deluxe, and suite room. Next, I will explain about the SWOT analysis of Priki Hotel. First, I would like to talk about the strength of Priki Hotel. Number 1, Priki Hotel have a strategic location because it's located in the edge of Priki Beach, which is visited by many tourists. Number 2, visitors can enjoy immediately the wave of the beach directly from the hotel. But the weakness of Hotel Priki are the facility and the service quality don't meet the standard quality of 5-star hotel and the building still old. Now, I would like to move on to the opportunity of Priki Hotel. Number 1 is the high interest of tourism to visit Priki Beach to spend the vacation time. Number 2 is there is no 5-star hotel in the coastal area in East Java. So maybe Hotel Priki will be the first 5-star hotel in the coastal area in East Java. Finally, about the trade of Priki Hotel is another hotel service located in Tenggara. That's all the SWOT analysis of Priki Hotel. So what make you hesitate to invest in Priki Hotel? Invest now and join us for better Tenggara in the future.